video-video nga eh. Pag 4 hours ba ginagamit-gamit ang picture, nakuubos yung battery ko.
Yeah, can you paint your family, Astrid? And Linlin will paint her garden, okay?
Set up ko lang yung wifi.
Yeah, you put some. What do you have in your garden, Linlin? Grass. What else? Grasses? Ah, brown is the earth, soil, right? You put some flowers in your garden, okay? You draw mom, dad, and you, Astrid, okay? Thank you. Jesus loves me.